So I just bought a camera, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I upgraded to the a7III. This camera is for me the newest and most affordable that offers the most range and flexibility through video and photography. This thing is amazing. Let's get into it. It shoots in 4K without the pesky shutter roll and overheating issues from the a6300. That was the previous camera. That's actually the camera I'm shooting on right now because a7III is over here. The a6300 unfortunately had some overheating problems, and when you shot in 4K you had a lot of shutter roll. Now when I do real estate photography, I do a lot of panning back and forth. This is an extreme test for the a7III. This is a test on the a6300. It shoots 10 frames a second while I'm already used to 11 frames from the a6300. You can't really tell the difference. So the a7III comes with IBIS for more steady shooting. I hate using a tripod as it takes a lot more time to photograph real estate. In most cases, it's better to shoot with a tripod when doing brackets, but not when you have a time window to hit other properties in a day. So this is the recording without steady shot on the a7III. This is recording with steady shot turned on the a7III. So another added benefit with the a7III, the new Sony NPF-Z100 battery is huge versus the older Sony NPF-W50. With the old battery on the a6300, I think I could probably get around 450 shots, but with the new battery I can go all day long with almost 700, 800 shots. And when you're doing real estate photography, it's extremely important that you get a lot of shots because every frame is 3 shots with brackets. The a7III comes with dual card slots, and now it's extremely important because sometimes if you ever want to do a wedding, or if you just don't want to deal with the inconsistencies of an SD card, you want to back those up when you shoot them. So I've done real estate photos before, and I actually had to reshoot them because I had the card crash in my camera. Now with the dual card slot, I'll be able to back those up when I need to. In conclusion, it was a good deal and the first camera that offered a pathway into full frame photography for me myself. The camera isn't what makes a photographer, but it helps to have the right tools for the skills you want to master. Hopefully this YouTube channel has brought a little bit of knowledge, and if it has, please like and subscribe for more photography wiki.